of it. It is printing, thanks for using this program, hello Manikanta. That means other part of the program is executing. Suppose if I use all of sudden what? Come on student. Exit. No other part of the program will execute. It will kill the process. It will kill the program related process. Some 2 and 34 and 56. I got the negative number result. Right? I say 8. Once you say 8, it is out. Physical termination done by what? Exit. Logical termination done by what? Break statement. So better to go for what? Break statement. Manikanta, is it clear, ma? Right. Got it. Right. Very good. Now this is comes under what? A small example. Anonymous functions are written. So I told in different ways this coding and you can practice it. One more example. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will write a Python program which will accept two integer values, and find the biggest among them by using anonymous functions. Okay, biggest among them by using anonymous functions. Shall we start? Let us look at students. Anonymous functions I am going for. Watch this now. All of you, come on to this area. Program for accepting two integer values and find biggest by using which functions? Anonymous functions. Okay, sir. Start with anonymous function. Normal function, you tell me once. DEF. Say. Come on, ma. Big, comma, A, comma, B. Tell me. If A greater than B, say what? Return what? Return A. Next time writing what? Else. Return what? B. How many lines of code? At least 1, 2, 3, 4 lines of code is written. This is normally what we write it, right or not? Fine. But this is a normal function. I want to write with anonymous function now. Start. Big is equal to, spell out, lambda. Writing lambda requires a lot of intelligence, first of all. How many parameters? Okay. Now, whether I said this awareness for you or not, I don't know previously. A. When A is bigger when, ma? If A greater than B. See that wording? This is one special syntax I am giving. A. After colon, how many lines I need to write? Only one line. That one line logic I am writing. A. If A greater than B, return A if A greater than B. Else B you return. That's it. It is something like equivalent to what? In C programming, C++ programming, Java programming, there is a ternary operator is there. Ternary operator is there. Did you remember that? Even in the operators also, I told you, plus, minus is not there. Ternary operator is also not there. I will explain ternary operator in Python, I said. What is the ternary operator? Did you remember in our C language? expr1, like this, expr2 colon expr3. What is the meaning? If expression 1 is true, return the value of what? Expression 2. If expression 1 is false, return what? You say here in C language A greater than B, question mark, return what value? If A is greater than B, true, return which value? Okay. If A greater than B is false, return what value? So take one A value. C language I am talking. A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 5. Come on, students. 10 greater than 5. True. Returns what? A means 10. 10 greater than 5. It is true. Return what? 10. A will not return. A value will return. Come on now. It is 15. 10 greater than 15. False. False means what is returning? 15 is returning. Like that. Come on. What is the A and B value? Apply here. What is the A greater than B here? False. Return what? B. What is the B value? 15. 15 will be stored in where? Result. Next, what is the value of this now? Come on, say. What is the value of AB now? 10, 5. 10 greater than 5. Return. That's it. It is called what? Equivalent to what? Python ternary operator. Important. Understand? Come on, guys. Which function it is? Which function it is? Anonymous function. Which is a better approach to write it? Anonymous function. Supriya, are you getting, ma? Supriya, you are getting. This is called a normal function. It is a compact format of it. Now, ma. Okay, very good. Now you see. Observe it. I hope you asked some 1 hour back about, sir, why we use anonymous function. Slowly you are understanding anonymous functions most perfectly. Still you will understand most perfectly. Tomorrow also I will continue with the special functions. There you will understand most best. Beginning topic na immediately you will not get it, because practically if I am going on moving, you will follow me very well. Okay. So I will not take this part. I will remove. Are you understanding? Come on, student. Come on to main program. I'm going to main program. What is the main program now? Directly I will print it. Directly. What is this now? Big value is equal to, tell me my dear students, big of, come on, int of, directly I am passing input of what? Enter, what value? First value. Okay. Next is called what? Enter second value also, na? Enter second value also. Enter second value also. Enter first value, comma, enter second value. I am taking here called what? Second value. Directly I am passing the value. I am not writing, because already you are having good knowledge in programming. I hope when you are practicing it. Not practicing, we can't say anything else. So this one is what? Big dot, come on, py. Big dot py. Big example 1 dot py. Small number also I will find out. Can I write small number also? Okay, or otherwise let me execute first. Let me execute this logic first. Okay, go to this place, py. See students, enter the first value 67, enter the second value 45. I did not get the result. I have to print it. Am I correct? Print. Come on, what is this? Biggest is equal to dot format of what? BV. So first value colon, second value colon. So execute this program now. See students, enter the first value 45, 56. I got. Now 45 and then 23. Value is called what? Getting. Okay. Shall I move forward? In the same program, I want to write what? Small also. Tell me small also, please. Come on, students. Small is equal to lambda a comma b. Okay. Colon a. If a, no, a. If a less than b. How you need written a? If a less than b. Come on. Else b. Very simple. Anonymous function. Anonymous function. Rather than going for the lengthy part, we will do like that. I do like this. Directly, you see. If you follow me, I say, here I am writing. What is this? SV is equal to, smaller value is equal to, what is my function name? Small. Okay. Biggest is equal to, here what is that? Smallest is equal to. Smallest is equal to, what is this now? SV. Okay, SV. So done, done. So I say here, I say, okay, fine. So here I am going to say execute this program now. First value 34 and then this one, biggest I got it, 78 and 34. 34 is the smallest and 56 and then next is called what, some 567, 56, biggest I got it. And then say 6 and then say something like 2 or something like 21 you say, and smallest is equal to 6. Right. Nasir, big of int. Big is a function or data type conversion. My dear student, Nasir, this indicates that you are not practicing, ma. It is indicating that you are not practicing. This big of int, that indicates that you are not practicing. It is as good as similar to what? You are passing the values directly. Here you are passing the value directly. Am I correct? Directly you are passing the value there. Soumya, what is that, ma? Negative inputs. Okay. So having doubt about negative inputs, okay. 34 and then 45, biggest is that. Next is called second value -5 and this one like this. Soumya, are you happy, ma? Are you happy? So negative inputs also it will take. Positive. So Durgesh, you are asking float values. What is your conversion, my dear student? Int. You want float? Okay, go for it, float. So such a type of doubts if you get means you are not practicing. Durgesh, and don't feel sorry saying straightforward to you. When I am highlighting the mistake of the student, they may feel negative, but they are the well-wishers. So if they enter float, I have to use float conversion or not? When I am saying something, it is a pakka statement. Keep in mind. So execute 34.56, 22.34, biggest is this one. So next is called this one, 11.22, and I got like this. Understand? Good. Right, ma. Umesh, very good. I am going to do that. Umesh, I am going to do that. Write down, all of you. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Right. Nasir, you can do. That is already over in our LKG only. That is over. Now we are in 10th class. In LKG only, reading separately, passing that value separately. That is over in our LKG only. You see where it is over in LKG. You see float, reading separately and passing that. Nasir, are you understanding? This is already covered in my class. Are you seeing, Nasir? Here you see these values are already covered. Here I thought that you people are a very big matured student. I am directly passing the values. Nasir, did you notice this? Now, what are you asking, ma? Okay, what are you asking then? Big. Why did we use? What is big? Function name. Function name. Sixth line only I am saying. It is a function name. To the function name I am passing two inputs. That only you are asking. Indirectly you are asking that only. Indirectly you are asking that only. Right. So try to practice it. Next. Write a Python program which will accept three numerical values, which will accept three numerical values, and find their biggest, right. Come on, students. Next, I will go for the three variables of biggest. Shall we? Right. So previously, what is this now? Accepting two values and then finding the big. Now I am accepting three things. Apply your intelligence now. Program for accepting how many? Three integer values and find the biggest by using anonymous functions. Very, very simple. Start. Big is equal to, come on fast, lambda a comma b comma c colon a if A greater than B and A greater than C. A greater than C. Am I correct? Very good. Oh, come on. Else. 1 minute. Hold on. A is bigger in the case of this, right or not? Else, I cannot say B because there is a chance of B plus there is a chance of C. Two more conditions are there. What I will write there? Else, written B when if B greater than B greater than C. B greater than C. If you are still interested, B greater than what? A. Actually, you need not write. Why? Already it is over, na? Actually, just I wrote it. Understand, students? Okay. B value over. And next what I will write? Else. Perfect. Understood? Take some values. A is equal to some small testing. A is equal to 10. B is equal to 20. C is equal to what? 30. Start. A greater than B. False means definitely this will not evaluate, right or not? Go to where? Else. B. Before returning B condition you wrote or not? What is the B value? 20 greater than. False. False means going to where? Return. C is the bigger. You take 200, you take it. A 10, B 200, C 30. Come on. 10 greater than 200. Very good. Come to which part? B. When it is B returning, B greater than 200 greater than 30. True. True means definitely under operation, one more under. What is the B value? 200 greater than 10. True. True and true. True. Return. B. Result is B. Okay. Now go for 1000. Start. 1000 greater than 200. True. 1000 greater than true. Return. Beautiful. Super program. Come on. I will say how many values you are passing. 3 values you are passing. Okay. Nasir. Seema. Nasir. Please look into that. I am saying enter how many values. Different way I am writing. I hope Nasir will catch me now. So BV is equal to, come on ma, what is my function name? Big of, int of, input of, comma. One more input I will read. Understanding? Comma. One more input I am writing because we already matured in the programming. How many values message you gave? I gave first value, second value, 3 values I am reading. 3 values are substituted in the form of integer. 3 values are transferring to where? This will transfer to this. This will transfer to this. This will transfer to C. Understand? Okay. Print what? Print what? Biggest is equal to, comma, what? BV. What is this now? Big. Example2.py. Big example2.py. Save this code. Save this code. Right. Fine. Py. Big example2.py. Enter 3 values. 10, 20, 30. Biggest is 30. Once again, 10, 200, 30. Next, 10, 3 and 4. Biggest is what? 10. Now you have a doubt. What is your doubt? Sir, 10, 10, 10. What? 10 is an output. Output is 10 only. I know, you know. But are they equal or not? Can I add? Can I add that equality? Sir, go. How many lines of code is written? Beautiful. This is called maturity in the programming. We started with a small example in the beginning. Our class will be like that. Small example. Next level, next level, next level. Like that. LKG, 10th class, intermediate, MSET coaching, IIT coaching. That is the subject. Like that we need to enter. Okay, big example 3, say, now start. This is for which calculation? Come on, now I am going to, come on students, I say all values are what? Equal. All values are equal. EQUAL. When if A double equal to B and B double equal to what? C, else that part will be taken. Did you understand? Such a bigger statement. How many lines I wrote? One line only. That too an intelligent statement we wrote. Our example started with a smaller line. Slate, pencil, pen, pencil, like that. Later we can go for writing a biggest statement like this. See that? Let us save this code. If you go on following me, you will get beautiful knowledge. Say that py biggest example 3 dot. Enter 3 values 45, 6, 34, 45. Now say 34 and 56, 23, 56. Next 10, 20, 300. Done. Next 10, 10, 10. All values are equal. So programming is not like a recharge card. If you go on practicing, you will recharge. That is open secret. Go on practice. You see by the end of the evening how confident you are. You don't practice anything, how dull you are when subject is coming. 2 days you read morning to evening for 3 to 4 hours. How confident you are. You don't read at all. How dull you are about your career. This is an open secret. For how many months you work hard? For 3 months. It is more than enough. And you see, in a single line I wrote everything. Are you getting this point? Fine. So I hope you are understanding this. If you want this entire thing, so many ways, you can write for smaller also. Are you following me? This is for how many numbers? I want to find what? Biggest of n number of numbers. Write down. Write a Python program. 1 minute I will speak to online students. Online students, are you following me? Students. Right. Umesh, thank you. Right. Okay, Nasir. Big function. Big is a function at a time. We are passing 3 values at a time. Those values will be substituted in lambda. That only, Nasir. You understood very well now. You got it. Now you got it very well. Nice. Right. Okay. Kunal. Yes. Perfectly able to understand. Okay. You are clearing all my doubts. Okay. Viswa. Very good. Mahi. Very good. Umesh, exactly. You are using super. You are Umesh. I want to use what? N number of numbers I will read. I want to find the max. How can I find? Use which function? Max function. One day we used already. I want to find the minimum of list of numbers. I will use what? Min. I will use it. Write down. Write a Python program. Umesh, very good, ma. Good practicing. I hope you are doing. Write a Python program which will accept a list of values. Which will accept a list of values. Which will accept a list of values and find max and min. Max and min by using anonymous functions. By using anonymous functions. Beautiful. Let us go to the next program, student. See, my dear students, all of you. See, all of you once. See here. Program for accepting list of values. List of what? Numerical values. List of integer values. And find the biggest and smallest. If I think added by using which functions? Anonymous functions. Okay, sir. Now come on. big, small, dot what? Py. Define please. Define please. Main program I will take it first. Can I accept number of values? Can I accept number of values? By using which concept? Enter. Come on. Number of values. Enter. What is that? List of values separated by space. Do you know this? Come on. Priyanka. Perfect, ma. List comprehension. Compression, no, ma. List comprehension. I am writing here list comprehension. HENSION. List comprehension. Okay, please. Now take it list of. Come on, students. Int of value for value in input of dot what? Split off. Beautiful. I got it. Now you pass to whom? Lambda. Pass it. What is this now? Big small is my function name. I will pass it what? List. I will get it. Okay. Instead of that, first big I will take it. I will get a BV. SV small value. SV small value is equal to small I will apply. Of what I will pass? LST. Come on. Big is equal to, come on students, LST colon what? Max of LST. How beautiful line. Okay students, next what? Small. Function name is small is equal to lambda LST colon min of LST. Not only necessary to take LST, I will take HYD. No problem, HYD. Why? LST values are passed to whom? HYD. I will pass. What is this? No problem. Formal parameter can be any name. It is an alias name for this original value. Okay, student. Print of what? Max of SEMA, I say, is equal to dot format of what? LST comma BV. A beautiful program this is. What is this now? What is this now? This is called biggest. Okay, this is called smallest. This is called smallest of. What is this now? SV. Okay. Big small dot py. Big small dot py. Out of that, py, say this, enter list of values 10, 20, 23, comma 4, comma minus 6, comma minus 34, comma 9. See that. Biggest of this list 34, smallest of minus 6. Which functions? Anonymous functions. This is the subject of anonymous functions. Easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Easy. When sir explains, easy. When we keep our fingers on the keyboard, much difficulties will start. That's why every day, the moment class is over, you have to start practicing. Still this I will, Umesh, thank you, ma'am. Now, I will carry these things with what? Filter function, reduce function, map function also I will carry. This I will carry with a map function, reduce function, with a filter function also I will explain. Right? Ma, line number, Supriya, line number 9. Line number 9, list comprehension. Ma. This I was already explained in the functions only. Already explained. Are you there? Are you there in my class? Are you there in my class? It was explained in my class. 9 AM. List comprehension. This topic is explained. Already some programs. That's what, ma. Once you miss, for one student, I may not be able to recap. I am not going to repeat that. Okay. Right. So coming to the point back, this is called a list comprehension we did. Tomorrow also, I will introduce what? Special functions I will introduce. So tomorrow Saturday, don't go here and there. Special functions I will introduce. And this will be carry forwarded once again. This will be carry forwarded. So shall I stop the class? Shall I stop the class? And tomorrow class I will go for special functions. Special functions with normal functions, special functions with anonymous functions I will explain. Right, students? Thank you. A good day.